Good morning, everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Today it is February 25th at approximately 6:30 a.m. We are here westbound 10 west of Scirocco Summit, east of the town of Indio. We're out here with a empty rolled over truck and trailer. The winds picked up last night to about 50-60 miles an hour, blowing straight across the freeway, causing this truck and trailer empty to roll over. So we're out here, Dad, Darl, and I, with the rotator, the 35 tons on the other side, on the front side. We just got on scene here, or I just got on scene here. Dad and Darl are already working on getting this unit rigged for upright. We kind of have a time constriction here. We're working with the clock, trying to get this upright before traffic starts to get heavy and the wind picks back up. So kind of got a window here where the wind died down. We're gonna go ahead and go for it. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy.
Strap tight. Yeah. You can just go around this spring shackle right here. That's why I say you don't need much chain, just need a little chain. You get no chain, because that chain's going to be all in our way.
Well, we can get it down all the way then. You on that side? Yeah, hang on. Have you pull through here in a second.
But you don't want the chain, you want the strap on the trailer. You don't want the chain on
I'm
the
going to go all the way until the end. Alright, go ahead a little bit.
You pull it?
Yep. Pull right there.
You want to put a protector in there? Nah, you shouldn't need one. No. That strap, and you put the down pull on the tractor? Yeah, just a down pull on the tractor. You put the rotator on the... Put on the trailer. On the trailer, and then just put the other one in the lane and down pull on? Yeah.
Alright, we can set her down.
Clear it all? Yeah, clear. Travis, you need one here, I'll hand it to you. Yeah, I'm walking around, so let's go. Where are we going? Right here? Yep. Alright, take the chain off the frame over there. It's off. Oh, you're in hook it?
Clear. It's clear.
You unhook it?
Yeah, it's good. Let it unhook itself, I guess.
You have a close back here in the other one?
Yeah.
There is?
Do we have air set up or no?
It's got a Volvo, needs a Volvo fitting out of that truck. Mine, I think the O-ring's bad in it, so it doesn't want to go on.
Has it?
I don't know, do you have them?
No, I'm saying the truck has it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think my O-ring went out in mine. Watch your head.
That's good. Too far too. Are the brakes set right now?
Well, they were, but the damn tire's moving, so... Both brakes are set. The truck and trailer.
Confirmed? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull the glad hand on the trailer. Just make sure.
I mean, that window's busted out. Can't you can just reach in there, yeah?
Huh?
The front window's busted out, ain't it?
Yeah, there's no air in it. So I don't know if it broke something and lost all the air pressure or what.
You got a zip tie down?
Yeah.
You get...
Where's... Damn, a lot of oil. Oh, there's no oil. Okay. Alright, air fitting's on.
Okay.
I'll put the cap, I guess.
What do you think? You want to... Should we use the side pull on your truck or just right here?
No.
Why? I did it last time.
Fuck that damn thing.
Well, for short stuff, it's fine. Whatever. Whatever, man.
Yeah, you gotta sit too far over. You gotta sit too far over. You gotta sit it almost in the thing over there, and you gotta put that in here. I'm good.
Can I have a shackle, please? Just a small one. Medium. Alright, I'm telling Captain's gonna call CHP for a traffic break about 2 miles east of Scirocco, so... You guys ready?
Nope.
Should probably get, we should probably get sandbags and stuff on the 35 ton ready.
Yeah, that's right. Got that.
That you'd be able to use your side puller and pull down.
I hate that fucking...
That's what I said, but Darrell said no.
That way you don't have to... Truck can be positioned to hook to the front right away.
I mean, I think it'll work. It'll work.
I wasn't gonna tow around. I was gonna park way out there and use off the back end and pull down. Nah, just do it off the side. That's what it's for. Then we don't have to. Then you're in a position to pull right up and pull I know. I just hate that damn thing.
Someone else had to go off-roading.
It just came off the freeway. Something else.
Am I allowed to get in position first? You want to move those cones for me? Sure.
Thinking about right.
I think you're going to parallel it.
I'm just helping.
I know, but you want to parallel or else you're going to fight. You can be over. You're fine. Alright, keep going. Alright, kick it toward normal.
What the damn puppets?
Keep going. I'm just going to stop in line with this tire. Yeah, that's good. Yours? Yeah. We got plenty of room to run that. Do you want to run them out that side?
Yeah, there's no trouble.
You're good. You got everything out? No. Go. Go.
Fuck, you think that you want to move?
Heads up. Yeah. Front side exhaust. Right. Alright, Trent, you wanna climb up there and pull cable? Yeah. Where's my gloves? Over here. Ah, yeah. Alright, I'm on this side, so just bring them to me.
twisting the strap.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright.
You think we need a downpour? You think we need a downpour on this?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, there you go.
I don't think I can do this from up here.
No, you won't be able to jump from up there.
I can get started.
Cable out or?
White, cable white out. Okay. Coming down. Yep. Alright. Once we have this in place, you can get the boom where you want it and then tighten up. Alright, next one. Coming down. Got it. Right, Trent.
Alright.
Put the boom where you want it. Hang on. Oh, okay, never mind. Hold on. We got a kick over here. Hold on, white. Okay.
Yeah. Get the.
Watch that one. Watch that one. Blue down. Blue down. Okay, blue in. Alright, you're good. Put that where you want.
Yeah, go ahead and get down. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a lot of slack on this cable, Trent.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
But, what are we at? About 30 degrees?
You're right at 30.
You gotta take it on 5 speed here.
Alright.
Alright, ready, Darryl? Go ahead. Let me get a bigger lift on the.
Okay.
Alright. Go, don't. Yeah, slow. Slow right there.
White's loose. White's loose, good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold the tractor right here till you. I'll let you bring it over, Trent.
Okay.
Here she comes. Yeah, it's teetering. There she goes. Woo!
Alright, let's get everything on. Darryl, you jump up in front.
Yeah, I will. I got this rim swing out. Stuck. There we go. Go ahead and boom down, unhook everything on this end. You can get your boom out of the way. Boom as far as you can, I'll unhook cables.
Yep. leave everything down here.
Your arm's still off the ground.
That's good. Cable, or boom, whatever. Cable, blue. Hold. Dash blue is free. White, cable, down. Go. Hold. Okay, both are free.
Trent, you gonna pick up the back of that trailer and set it up on the freeway?
We can. I don't think we need to. Landing area is bottomed out right here on this side.
This whole side's off the ground.
Oh yeah. Well, we can do that from the closure.
Yeah. I want to pull my nose of this tractor around, but I don't want to pull it around until we're...
I'll do it right now and pick it. Oh, you want to get in the closure? We can do it from in here. In the closure. Yeah. You got some absorb ball on your truck?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Watch that plate, Trent. Where you at? On my truck.
Huh?
On my truck.
Okay, I'm gonna lift on this trailer.
Okay. Other driver's side first.
Yeah. There it goes.
That is a nice thing about having a truck.
Yeah.
It makes shit like this so much easier.
I'm in a little bit, so I can swing to it.
Alright, I use 2 buckets.
You're not up.
shit. What? No, you're good. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I was reading the captions. White truck big rig driver is all over the road. Driver cannot stay on the road.
Oh, jeez.
The vehicle just overturned. Big rig laying on its side. Big rig on right side. This big rig hit another big rig.
Oh, jeez.
Number 1 and 2 lanes blocked just west of Scirocco. 3 vehicles, 1182. 1 on right side overturned in open desert.
Wow.
Cal trying to divert traffic off of Scirocco and back on. 1 semi cab only blocking both lanes.
Gotcha.
1 semi on right hand side with damage to his trailer on right side. Overturned semi in desert. We need 2 big rig tows statewide, and we're empty statewide for super duty. It's a long ways for me to bring a truck out of Riverside. Damn, these were heavy.
Alright guys, so now that we have the truck upright and on the road, I'm going to be hooking up the unit here, and Darrell and my dad are going to be heading back to Scirocco Summit. I guess we got a overturned big rig back there that we actually didn't get the call for statewide towing. You guys have seen them and know about them. They got the call. They're actually going to be, they were the ones called by CHP to do that one since we got this one. But Caltrans is requesting that since we're already out here to go over there and at least get the roadway open. So we're gonna, I guess Darrell and my dad are gonna take the rotator and drag the truck out of the way just so they can get the roadway open. So that's what's going on. They are leaving me here to hook this truck up. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, we'll go ahead and hook this up and get it back to the yard. So go ahead and stay for the show, and let's go ahead and see what we can do. My little checklist here, we got our light bar, drive shaft is pulled, drive shaft's in the truck so it's secured, brakes to the trailer, air to the unit, brakes released, axles secured down into the underlift, and we got safety chains, and everything's all hooked up. Sounds like we're ready to go. We're going to turn our PTO off and we're going to get moving here. I'll go ahead and record us get moving, and then we'll wrap up the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Try to sneak through this little gap here. Just clear, look at that. That cone's gonna get taken out. Boom. That's alright. Alright, and we're off. That was a pretty good rollover. They're always easier when they're empty, that's for sure, because we don't have to worry about, you know, breaking through the trailer and stuff like that. So they're always easier when they're empty. Sometimes not, but that one definitely was. We were able to get there, upright it real quick, get the road open. Now we got another one up the road, like I was telling you guys. No video of that one though, unfortunately. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and continue down the road here. We got about a 35-mile drive to the yard, so we're just gonna take it nice and slow, get back to the yard, and go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the video, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.